UP Technical. How to check error code on Daikin Equip app. Search and press the Equip app on your smartphone or tablet. Tap on the module UP Technical. Press error code. Search for the error code shown and press it, and it will show what the error code means and how to resolve it. And you can press in for additional information. How to check for system compatibility on the app. Tap on the module UP Technical. Press System Compatibility. Search for the air conditioner category or model name and press it, and it will show the models that is compatible with it. How to check for technical specification on the app. Tap on the module UP Technical. Press Technical Specification. Search for the air conditioner category or model name and press it. The specification of the particular air conditioner will show after. How to check for emergency settings on the app. Tap on the module UP Technical. Press Emergency Settings. Search for the problem and press it. After pressing, you will see two options, View PDF and View Video. Select either one of them and there will be a solution for it. If you select View PDF, a PDF file would pop up and follow the instructions given. How to check for refrigerant charges on the app. Tap on the module UP Technical. Press Refrigerant Charges. Search for the air conditioner category and tap on it. Tap the model ID and search for the air conditioner model and tap on it. After tapping, if a form pop up, fill in the form such as the length and total charge amount, and total additional charge will be shown. How to check for field settings on the app. Tap on the module UP Technical. Press Field Settings. A selection of field settings will appear. Select the field setting that you want to check and select whether is it an outdoor or indoor unit at the bottom, and the solution will pop up. How to check for adapter card on the app. Tap on the module UP Technical. Press Adapter Card. Fill in the fan coil unit model and the adapter card type. A list of supported applications and supported features would appear on the screen, and with a PDF file and YouTube video on the top right hand corner. How to check Thermistor Resistance on the app. Tap on the module UP Technical. Press Thermistor Resistance. Tap on SA Outdoor R2t and select the model of the air conditioner. Adjust the temperature accordingly and the resistor would change accordingly on the screen. How to check for VRV PCB Setting on the app. Tap on the module UP Technical. After that, press VRV PCB Setting. Fill up the system type, horsepower, check operation completion, and cooling or heat pump. After filling up, scroll to the bottom and DS1 and DS2 will be shown accordingly. How to check for electrical consumption on the app. Tap on the module UP Technical. Press Electrical Consumption. Fill up the category tab of the air conditioner. Fill up the model of the air conditioner. Input any current limit if there is any. Fill up the combination of indoor unit. Key in the amount of tariff. Fill up the number of hours used per day. After filling up everything, scroll to the bottom and total input, energy consumption and electricity cost will be shown.